Hey there, Leslie here. So what is your professional reputation as a beginner paralegal? And you might think, well, how can I have one if I've never worked in the field? But you can. And that's the very thing you have to focus on in order to communicate with anyone who wants to hire you. Doesn't matter what, where that is or what it is, what position it is. What are you bringing to the table? And is it something that they need? So what do you know how to do? And that's the communication that has to take place in your cover letter and in the interview. It's not sitting there in the interview without asking questions. That is a game changer when you ask questions, if they're the right questions. They can't just be any old questions. And so what is it that you're getting across to the person who is looking at possibly hiring you? What's grabbing their attention? And this is the thing. This is where your mindset has to make a shift. It isn't about, the thing that will open the door is this. It isn't about anything else. How are you going to help the attorney? Okay? You've already gotten past this thing of, should I enter the paralegal field? You've already made this decision and you already know your why, but your why has to be, I'm going to assist the attorney. You're not going to be an attorney unless you go to law school. So is your why that you want to assist the attorney? And how will you do that? What will you be doing every day on the job? That's why I put together the Paralegal Playbook. And right now it's free. So go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, my website. Look around the whole website. That whole website is for beginners. But look under the Paralegal Resources Hub and get the playbook, but also investigate the hub. Going into the paralegal field doesn't have to be a risk. So know your why. Doesn't have to be a risk at all financially to go in. But understand what those duties are that you'll be performing and learn how to perform some of those. Become very familiar with them because you're going to have to explain yourself and communicate in your cover letter and in the interview how you're going to do this. They don't teach you, for the most part, they don't train you, they don't have time. Their goal is to work with the client, not run a school. So be the solution to the problems at hand. What are those problems? What are the duties you'll have to be performing? And much more. So get the playbook and find out, gosh, where do I stand on some of these skills Leslie's mentioning in the playbook? Where do I stand? Am I ready to help this attorney? If not, then that's just another thing you have to get together, okay? If you need help with some of these things, then join the Paralegal Inner Circle class. You'll see that on the website. All for beginners. And get the Cover Letter Secrets class under courses, okay? And join us and be more prepared. Feel that you're ready to step into your future and you'll do great. So have a great day and I'll talk to you in the next video.